I'm just waiting right now for my buyers. We are about to go through the final walkthrough. We are just in the final stages of escrow, and we'll be closing, and the house will be theirs in about 2 days in San Diego. I'm so excited for them. There was one slight hiccup that home buyers should know, definitely in San Diego. So if you're curious on what that was, and I also have a home buying checklist. So if you would like that, just comment in the description below checklist, and I'll let you know all the details.